Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this DeLonghi Magnifica Espresso Machine. Let's go ahead and pull a shot. So I noticed the transmission is squeaky, which means that it needs to be lubricated. You heard it squeaking down there. And it seems to be pouring a nice shot of espresso too. I didn't make any adjustments to it. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.